What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. We're going to be talking pickups today. I'm going to be selecting some pieces that I picked up over the past couple of months that I want to talk to you guys about. We've got some good and bad ones in today's video. We're going to be covering some Fear of God mainline, Asos, Aimé Dore, Fashion Nova, and more. Pretty balanced lineup with some highs and lows. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video, guys. First up, we've got this Fear of God New Era cap in black and wool. This is from mainline Fear of God, separate from the Essentials line. Just a really simple, clean wool cap with the letter G on it. I'm low-key a sucker for the letter G. I grew up on hip-hop, so G's and OGs always have that connection to hip-hop and street culture. In this case, it's an homage to the Homestead Greys, or could also stand for God. One of my favorite caps right now. Super subtle but really clean. Plus point is that the price point on this dropped drastically since Fear of God's early days. I remember paying $2.95 USD for the first Fear of God New Era. But right now you could scoop this up at $1.40 USD on places like Essence. Next up, we've got my mini Asos haul. I picked up two beanies in white and dark brown, and also this cotton ribbed tank. Everything was super affordable. Pretty much 10ish USD a piece. The beanies are straight fire. I love the fit on them. Been wanting a true white beanie for a long minute. And having a dark brown beanie in the mix is real nice too. I was actually so excited for this tank to come in. It looked so good in the photos. But when it came in and I tried it on, yeah, I'm not feeling this low cleavage vibe. I'm pretty sure this isn't accurate to the photos. They pulled it up through the back or messed with the angles or did something to it. The fit came in so bad. Definitely one of my worst pickups as of late. Now on to more successful pickups. We've got my gear from Aimé Dore. I picked up this tee, this soap bar plate that I actually use as a jewelry plate, and a cap from this drop. I'm actually really happy with these selections. This tee actually sold out last season before I managed to cop, so I'm really glad I managed to get my hands on it this season. You can't go wrong with that cream and dark green combo, and as a reference, I'm wearing a size XXL. Easy, fire piece to just throw on, that's super simple to match with too. Next up, we've got this soap bar plate that I actually use as a jewelry plate. I love little organizer things like this that add some nice touches to the room. I have a lot of jewelry as well, so I'm always looking for jewelry organizers. And my last piece from Aimé Dore is this logo cap in white. Easy staple piece, beautiful quality on it too. White cap with the Aimé Dore logo in black. Really a no-brainer kind of pickup. Lastly, I want to show you guys some vintage style graphic tees that I picked up. These are vintage style tees, not like actual vintage tees. They're manufactured and washed to replicate that effect. They're great if you want to replicate that vintage grungy aesthetic for a much cheaper price point, depending on where you look. These first two are from Fashion Nova Man. I've never purchased from them before, but my bro Gone Oliver put me on this Pop Smoke tee. It's crazy fire and I had to snag it up too. I picked up this Tupac tee as well. Keep in mind these are both like $10 a pop, so they aren't the greatest quality or fit. For reference, I've got on a size XXL for them both. The fit is honestly kind of weird, but for the price point, you can't really complain. They're still both some really good looking tees. I love collecting Tupac tees, and I don't have a Pop Smoke tee yet, so I think this is a pretty clean piece for my first one. And the last tee I want to show you guys is this Biggie tee by Wacko Maria. Wacko Maria dropped the Biggie collab a while back. Unfortunately, I'm pretty sure all the tees sold out first, but I managed to find my size from Juice Store in Hong Kong. It was the absolute last piece in stock. This is a size XXL as well. I have a lot of Tupac tees, but no Biggie tees. I haven't found a proper vintage piece that I've liked yet. This Wacko Maria piece is nice as hell. Fit is great. Quality is much better than the other two from Fashion Nova. If you're a Biggie fan like me, this is a great piece to add to your collection. And that's gonna be it for me today, guys. That was some of my favorite pickups over the last couple of months. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Let me know which is your favorite piece. If I had to pick, it would probably be the Aimé Dore soap bar plate. I'm really picky, so to be able to find nice additions to the room is actually super satisfying to me. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, a share, or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content or would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'm also on TikTok now, so don't forget to check that out too. And yeah, much love guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.